Regarding the most premium tech releases, these classic gadgets will stop you in your tracks and make you want them all, even if you suspect you don't need them. Still, treating yourself from time to time is nice, and the best gadgets can make your life easier. That's why we've come up with this video, which will allow you to know the type of premium gadgets you can buy. Number 1. Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Fold. We've been using many gadgets, but the one that is the best is the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Fold Gen 2. After some defects with its first generation, Lenovo made notable improvements with its replacement. The second generation Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Fold looks like a more refined product, evident in how there are barely any gaps when its huge 16.3-inch OLED display is folded over. There are many functions this gadget can offer to users. Although it is like a tablet when opened up, it can be arranged to act like your standard laptop because of the included ThinkPad keyboard that attaches to it. Are you looking for a desktop experience? You'll relish how you can use its huge screen unfolded in portrait or landscape to see more of the apps you're working with. It's truly a glimpse at what the next generation of computing holds. With all these outstanding features, this gadget sells for $1,199. Number 2. Polaroid Plus New Plus. This gadget is an instant camera with an iconic name and a low cost of entry, but the hardware itself is anything but legendary. It is the latest instant camera from the brand. This gadget replaces the Polaroid Originals on Step 2 with a better close focus for selfies and portraits. It also has the ease of one-button operation and the iconic square photo format. The sizes of this camera are dictated, at least by the film format. It works with I-Type and 600 formats cartridges. The camera measures 4.4 by 3.7 by 5.8 inches. The camera didn't come with a tripod, but you can connect a neck strap to it via a loop attachment from the rear. It sells for $129. Number 3. Flyte Bulb. Flyte Bulb is a levitating light bulb that hovers around by magnetic levitation and is powered through the air. This bulb base is made of well-sourced oak, walnut, and ash. Made in Sweden, Flyte uses energy-efficient LEDs rated to use about 50,000 hours before getting low. This usage rate is equivalent to 11 years if used consistently for 12 hours daily. Priced at $299, each unit is carefully crafted to precision using premium components inspired by minimalism and vintage design. Number 4. Apple Airtag. Apple Airtag is a super easy gadget to keep track of your stuff. If you attach one to your key and one to your luggage, other things, or even people, you can keep track of them on your Apple devices through your Find My app. Whenever you see your AirTag, it will send a secure Bluetooth signal that nearby devices can detect, and the phone you connect it with will now send the location of your AirTag to iCloud. After going to the Find My app, you will see the location of what you put on clearly on the map. You may wonder whether this gadget is safe. The process is anonymous and so encrypted that no one will notice you. This gadget sells for $31. Number 5. JBL Flip 6. JBL has easily been popular with its quality speakers and headphones, so it shouldn't be a surprise that their Flip 6 came up on our list. This portable speaker is handy. Is it a weekend or a pool party? The design of this speaker makes it a superb choice. With its high water-resistant rating, you can place it beside the pool without fearing getting damaged by light splashes. Also, this speaker is so loud that you will enjoy every bit of music you play despite its small size. It's available for $99. Number 6. Sonos Portable Bluetooth Speakers. With this portable speaker, you will get a bold sound that moves you. This powerful, durable, and versatile smart speaker uses Bluetooth to connect this speaker with the Sonos app, Amazon Alexa, Apple AirPlay, and Google Assistant on your phone. Using this speaker, you will experience an astonishingly clear and perfectly balanced sound with automatic TruePlay tuning. Whenever you charge this gadget, be sure you will get up to 10 hours of playtime. You can recharge the speaker with USB Type-C, any higher USB power adapter, or Qi wireless charger. Even you can use this whenever you are at home. and you will create a multi-room sound system and enjoy the video, music, and more in the comfort of your room. It costs $179. Number 7. HEN Metal Kitchen Rinser. This kitchen rinser can perfectly match your kitchen environment. With multi-angle outlets for water, you can effectively wash your cup while saving your time and environment. This gadget is completely convenient and efficient to use. From wine glasses to baby bottles to travel cups, it conveniently rinses virtually any drinking utensil, so you can spend no or less time soaking and scrubbing. It is also straightforward to use, and you can put the mouth of the cup downward and pin the bottom of the cup lightly to automatically spray water to clean the cup and remove the cup when cleaned. This cleaning gadget sells for $56. Number 8. The 3-in-1 Charging Station. This 3-in-1 wireless charging station is a fast wireless charger with an adjustable nightlight that can charge your phone, watch, and headphones simultaneously without having many chargers plugged into your power outlet or your devices spread all over your desk. On the stand, compatible devices are charged wirelessly in a suspended position. The devices you are charging will be clear to you, so there won't be any misplacement. The left side of this charger recharges compatible smartphones, while the right side of the stand recharges compatible Apple Watches. On the base, you can recharge compatible earbud cases wirelessly. Even if you have a secondary phone, you can charge it there also. Although newer iPhones 12 and 13 are made to be magnetically suspended, we include an attachable metal ring for older phones with wireless charging capabilities. It sells for $31. Number 9. Ring Car Cam. One of the significant standouts of CES 2023 was the Ring Car Cam. Although we didn't expect the veteran security camera maker to tackle the dash cam market, the company came up with an unconventional gadget. Its dual-camera screenless design sets it apart, which features LTE connectivity to make it so easy to obtain all of those clips without the stress of connecting to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Also, this dash cam works as a versatile car alarm with built-in GPS and instant information about any happening in and around your vehicle. It sells for $199. Number 10. Fitbit Sense 2. As much as the Apple Watch is good as it includes fitness capabilities, Fitbit devices have more comprehensive health tracking capabilities and better tracking accuracy. With all these features, they are about half the price of Apple Watches. This smartwatch can track stress, blood oxygen, temperature, and the like while providing built-in GPS, Google Assistant, and phone calls. This smartwatch sells for $294. Number 11. Tile Pro. Tile turned the idea of Bluetooth tracking into reality in 2022, and they help users of this device know where they left their items. In this device, Tile added new details like the lost and found QR code printed on the back that contain contact information, so you can be easily reached once someone scans it. This feature is essential because you won't have to search for your items if you attach one of these. It's easy to get as it sells for $32. Number 12. Theragun Mini. Theragun Mini is a massage gun that fitness lovers use. If you are going hard at the gym, you can toss this tiny percussive therapy device into your bag and pull it out during recovery for muscle treatment. The efficient grip makes it easier to hold and reduces strain on the wrists. Also, the 150 hours of battery life is sufficient for you to cover your massaging needs for months. It sells for $159. Number 13. AnkerWork B600 Video Bar. The AnkerWork B600 is the best a video cam can get. The accessory was an all-in-one answer to video calling, dual speakers, packing a 2K webcam, a 4-mic array, and a built-in light bar. If you have all the bare necessities of a conventional WFH setup compact into one device, the B600 would make video calling less of a hassle and let your desk be free from excess hardware and cables. Whether you're gearing up for a job interview where the webcam on your laptop isn't okay, the AnkerWork B600 is okay for it and is now on sale and worth a look. It's available for $160. If you like one of the gadgets, check out the descriptions for the product links. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you may not miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Then,